everyone, my name is Tintin and I've been working in the bar department of Royal Caribbean for almost a decade. Throughout those years, I've seen many positions on board, from bartenders, bar servers to barista. One of the positions I truly admire is the barista because of how skilled they are in crafting coffee and how they make guests happy with every single cup they serve. When I first started working with Royal Caribbean, things were very different. Back then, bar servers were the ones making and serving coffee in cafe latitudes. That's why I received some training in coffee preparation, learning how to make espresso and cappuccino. But honestly, I wasn't that much of an expert yet. A few years later, Starbucks officially started on board Royal Caribbean, and that's when they began hiring professional barista to handle all coffee operations. I still remember one time when we were cruising in Italy and I was assigned in Cafe Promenade. The line was unbelievably long and most of the guests were Italians who love to order espresso. They really know their coffee, and that moment made me appreciate the skills of our barista even more. Now, baristas on board are not just brewing simple coffee. They're preparing a full range of Starbucks beverages, from hot and cold espresso drinks to frappuccinos, mocha, and iced latte. Every drink must meet the Starbucks standard, even though we're working in the middle of the ocean. Job description. Let's talk about what a barista on board Royal Caribbean actually does. Their main duties include preparing and serving all coffee and tea beverages following Starbucks standards, handling guest transactions using CPAS cards, maintaining cleanliness and sanitation of the workstation, managing inventory and restocking supplies, and most importantly, providing excellent customer service, greeting guests warmly, and remembering their favorite drinks. Being a barista on board means being quick, precise, and cheerful, especially during the morning rush when hundreds of guests are waiting for their caffeine fix. Requirements to apply. Now let's talk about the requirements if you want to apply as a barista on board Royal Caribbean. Here's what you need. At least 1 to 2 years of barista experience, preferably from Starbucks or other well-known coffee shops, knowledge of espresso machines and coffee preparation, good English communication skills, a friendly and professional personality, valid seafarer documents such as passport, seaman's book, and basic training certificate. In the Philippines, you can apply through Royal Caribbean Official Manning Agency. Always apply through the legitimate agency. Avoid fixers or unofficial recruiters. Interview questions. Next, let's go over the interview process. You can expect both technical and customer service questions like, can you describe how to prepare a latte or cappuccino? What's your favorite coffee drink and why? How would you handle a difficult or unhappy guest? Why do you want to work on board a cruise ship? And what would you do if a guest complains about their drink? Sometimes you may even ask to demonstrate how to make a basic espresso or froth milk properly. So it's a good idea to practice before your interview. To stand out, always show confidence, a warm smile, and genuine passion for coffee and hospitality. Life on board. A barista day starts early around 5 or 6 a.m. They set up the machine, prepare syrups, and organize everything before guests arrive. They work around 10 to 11 hours a day, usually in split shifts. While there are no full days off, they do get time off to rest or go ashore when the ship is docked. And of course, the best part of the job, they get to travel world while doing what they love. Salary range. Now let's talk about the salary. A barista on board Royal Caribbean usually earns between $1,200 to $1,800 per month, depending on experience and performance. But here's something important. Some baristas actually earn more because of tips. If you know how to provide excellent hospitality and connect with guests, you build regular customers who come back to you every morning for their favorite drink. At the end of the cruise, those loyal guests often leave generous tips to thank you for your service. So good communication and great service can really make a difference in your income on board. From cafe latitudes, where we used to serve only simple coffee and tea, to Starbucks at sea, offering world-class beverages, I witnessed how much the barista position has grown and evolved over the years. It's a job that requires patience, passion, and heart. So if you're someone who loves coffee and dreams of seeing the world, becoming a barista on board Royal Caribbean might just be the perfect blend for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the life of barista on board, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise ship stories, helpful tips, and a life at sea content. See you in the next video with another cup of coffee at sea.